So at some point while you're using Book Creator, you will want to have your students join you on here and create some books that you can see with your group. So to do that, you're going to come up here to the upper right-hand corner and click this group icon button. And you'll want to create a new library, and your library will be the way that you share with your students. So we'll click there, and then you'll name your class. So I will say Howard class. And then you can kind of dictate some rules for what your students will be allowed to do with each other's books. You can have them be able to search Google for images or not, depending on what you're comfortable with. And you can also give them permission to look at each other's books. So once you do that, you're going to go ahead and click Invite People to Library, and you are going to get this join code. And the reason that you want the join code is whenever a student signs up for your class, they're going to need that code so they can join. They will see a page that looks like this. As long as you give them that code, they will punch that code in here, and then they will be able to add books to your library. You'll be able to look at the books that they are using, and your students can also read each other's books. Now, one thing to remember when you have a shared library is that you have, on the free account, you have a limit of 1 library, and you have a limit of 40 books. So you might have to be creative with archiving books, sharing books out, and deleting books and to make new ones. So if you want to use this with a lot of classes and have a lot of licenses for books, then you'll just have to pay for it. But the free version does give you 1 class and 40 books. So you could have basically 40 kids in there working. So those are the basics for adding your students to your Book Creator library. Make sure that you start sharing those books soon.